what's up? This is your boy Steven from there, California, representing 559, LODB, Soul Control Climax crew. I'm out here kicking it in LA, Inglewood. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you guys a little bit about some battle tactics and also keeping your form and your style swift and clean, okay? So, first of all, what you guys need to do is y'all need to slow down. Slow down. I see a lot of b-boys be trying to speed up, they're trying to really go fast and just get down and go crazy into their moves. And you know, they're just like a bit sloppy, okay? So you want to have every transition clean, no matter what it is, whether it's a basic move or an advanced move. You want to have it nice and swift. Whether like people be like, oh, I already know how to six-step, that's cool, but your six-step is sloppy, so clean it up, okay? So what I'm going to teach you guys is learning how to slow down, and what's going to help you also is doing a lot of stacks. Stacking helped me out when I was learning. I learned in a small spot, probably smaller than this right here. And one thing you got to start off with is getting your control of your body. So breaking is just like, you know, like any other workout. You want to learn how to be able to control your body, breathe, relax, and you know, just have control straight up. Because if you can't hit a simple freeze, then you need to work on it. So as you hit freezes, you want to be able to control every single one of your breathings. For example, I'm here. I'm not just here. I'm not going to be all like shaky, trying to crimp all over the place. I'm going to control something. I'm going to stick that freeze. I'm going to be solid. I'm going to learn how to freeze my core, my body, and learn how to control my breathing as I'm doing all this. I'm not here and I'm like, I can do this all day. So you gotta learn how to relax your body and slow it down. And also learn how to do the same thing the other way. Boom. Boom. So I'm gonna take it back, simple basic, six-step. Boom. Everybody knows this step. Simple. Simple. Everybody got it down. But I want to be able to see, I haven't really seen people like do stuff with it, like go back to basics. People are trying to get all crazy and go from one move to the other move to the other move, and they want to just stack up moves, and like they're forgetting all their like basic moves and learning how to bring that back. And I know I like the original styles. I grew up watching 90s style, like breaking, you know, Soul Control Climax crew, and like, you know, back style limits crew. I grew up, and like they would continuously have a flow of a footwork, not just have it one time and then go to another move and another move and another move. I would be able to see them continue that move, even if they make something with it, add a little transition to it, a little style, a little something. But I think that looks a little fresh, and it's really good to have as arsenal in any type of battles. So if you're in a battle, you can continue a movement, you're going to save yourself a lot of moves and a lot of energy if you're able to control this one movement. So something as simple as a six-step, you can mix it with any little thing. Like Vivo Machine taught me this skate glide, which is a simple, basic pop-up from your knee. Simple, basic pop-up from your knee. So I was like, okay, cool, that's easy. Well, how can I mess around with that? All right, I'm gonna go back to like a basic move, like my six-step. And I was like, okay, cool. Now let me add it here. Boom. So something like that, you can just mix basic moves together and actually clean it up, and you can make a basic move look dope. You know? Boom, you know? Basic move.